What is going on, guys? My name is Colton, or DesignsDriven is the channel, and today we're going to be drawing a GT3 RS. I've had some people ask if I can go ahead and draw it, so I was like, sure. So come with me, we'll go ahead and design the drawing and we'll get started. So I'm going to do my best and record the screen here and kind of explain what I'm doing. So in my mind, I have the idea of the front and back of a car. So I'm scrolling down here and I see this photo right here of this GT3 RS. And I really like this car. I really like the design of it. So I'm definitely gonna go with something like it. There's just the regular Porsche GT3. So definitely something like this, if not this exact thing. And actually right here is going to be the front of the car, I have a feeling. So let's go ahead and get these saved and over to our editor. So I'm using PicMonkey here, and this is just to get my idea, like, you know, on paper technically, but it's a digital paper, just to see what I like. And I've already done this, but I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of click undo a few times to go ahead and get my idea on paper. So obviously I've already designed this. I just wanna show you guys kind of the process of it. I don't wanna bore you all and actually design it all in person. So go ahead and do the front and back of the car. I think that's gonna be super slick. Of course, have my name, just kind of have an idea where I want to put my name. Sometimes I like it in the top, but this one I really like it below the right back of the car. So now we have the actual idea digitally created and what I want the drawing to look like. I'm not a super realistic drawer, like I don't put all the reflections on the piece of paper. It's just not really my style. So now what we're gonna do is put a grid overlay on the digital artwork that we kind of created, and we're going to draw the digital grid on the piece of paper to get started. That way I can lay out the cars to have the better proportions on the actual drawing to make it look, you know, as nice as possible. So coming back to the desk and the computer, we go here, and what I have is the different little links. So I got the remove background, I have my YouTube channel. Follow, subscribe, like if you are new, by the way, a little plug. And then I have just some extra stuff. I have this grid draw, which is what I use to upload my photos, and I go ahead, I can pick what my proportions are, what I want my grid to look like. Typically I do 9 rows and 8 columns. It comes out to about a 3 and 4 proportion for, or ratio, I guess, for my piece of paper. So I'll go ahead and upload this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here you guys go. This is what it looks like, and we're going to go ahead and put these lines on the paper. And again, it just makes it where I can go ahead and draw, line right here, about middle. I can just kind of eyeball the drawing better. I don't use rulers. I just go ahead and eyeball everything. Again, it's just my style of art, and I'm super excited to start this. Really excited to show you guys my drawing setup. I have some pencils over there, some mixers. I have my handy dandy tape measure there. It's about 18 by 24 paper. Here is my tripod. Don't mind the messiness, but I put my phone on this frame right here. It's see-through, so it gets a really good time lapse of the drawing. So just wanted to show you guys, and let's start the time lapse. Overall, guys, I am super excited about how this came out. The front and the back, just being able to freehand something like this, looking at a photo that I made, is super, super cool. I really like the time lapse and I can't stop watching it over and over again. I absolutely fell in love with drawing this. I fell in love with the process. So let me know what you guys think. Should I do something like this again with the front and back of a vehicle? Should I do a 3/4 front view? What should I do? And tell me what to draw next. I want this to be a community page. I have 4 subscribers. Subscribe if you are watching this. Grow my channel. Let's grow this community of just being able to be car lovers, put it on a piece of paper, draw it with pencil, and let's just do this together. I'm super excited. Again, subscribe, like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.